Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Shish. For those who are new here, karibuni sana. For those who are coming back, karibuni tena sana. And thank you so much for sticking by. So guys, I know I have been promising you a lot, like I'll be posting twice a week. But guys, I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best to be posting twice a week, because niko na vitu zimenifunga, like I have so much to do. Yeah, so guys, in today's video you're just chilling out, and I just decided to like tag you guys in whatever I'm doing. Yeah, so here guys, I was just nilikuwa tu natandika bed, making my bed, and yeah, I decided to tag you guys and watch, and hope you're going to enjoy, guys. Yeah, so I'm just preparing my bed, like making my bed. Yeah, and after doing that, I'll then go and wash and take breakfast. Yeah, it's around 9. Yeah, it's around 9 there.
You melt the ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still.
And so guys, don't mind about my bedroom. Like, nimeka bags zangu hapo because I don't have any other places to put them. Yeah, so I've just put those bags. Hizo bags ziko na nguo zangu na za mtoi. Yeah, the daily clothes that we use to wear. Yeah, so that's why I've put them there, because the room is so small and I haven't settled well. Sija settle vizuri. Yeah, so guys, don't mind about it. Yeah, hope you're enjoying the video, guys.
Surprise, it's not my fault when we end up capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the
And so guys, don't mind about that. You need that pink bag. Yeah, so I decided to buy a plastic bag so that I can be putting my baby's clothes that zenye huwa anatumia mostly, that he uses mostly to wear at home. So that's why I'm putting the clothes right now. Yeah,
I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire burning holes inside my brain.
So guys, after doing all that, I went ahead to the kitchen and we took our breakfasts. I'm sorry I didn't tag you guys as we are taking our breakfast. Yeah, so I'm going to wash the dishes for those the dishes that we use to hizi vyombo zenye tumetumia kuosha nazo kukunywa nazo chai, ndio naenda kuziosha. Guys, don't mind about kizungu. My English sometimes it disappears. Anyway guys, hope you're enjoying the video, and please don't forget to like, to share and comment down below of whatever you'd like to see me share with you guys. Yeah, so I'm washing and hope you're going to enjoy, and guys, enjoy the music.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake.
So guys, I know there are those who are wondering how the kitchen is looking like. So this is how the kitchen is looking like. Yeah, I know there are people who are questioning themselves like, how is that Nini looking like, the kitchen tap looking like. Yeah, that's how it's looking like. Yeah, that's the old kitchen, and this is the new kitchen that I'm placing the dishes after washing. That's the new kitchen. So guys, for those who are wondering, msiwande sana. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I hope you're enjoying the video, guys, and continue enjoying the music.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me.
So guys, I've already freshened up. Kizungu inapotea. So I'm going to cook, and I'm going to cook lunch. Yeah, so hope you're enjoying the video, guys. Niko na homa. Tija unasema nini? Niko na homa, guys. Let's go and cook, and hope you're going to enjoy the video. And please, if you're watching and yet you've not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, you like, share, and comment down below. Yeah, if you like the video, please don't forget to comment down below. Yeah, and give it a thumbs up. Yeah, so guys, let's go and cook. So guys, at this point everything was already prepared, and everything that was needed to be bought was bought. Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and cook the stew, and also the rice was boiling. Yeah, so while I was showering, the rice ilikuwa ishaekelewa ndio inaiva already. So I'll just go ahead and cook the stew. Yeah, so at least the work was easily done. Nacheka. Why? Why are you going to go killed? Nataka tu nini ya kuzubaisha tu, itatosha. Katikati. Sijui mbona napendanga stew ikiwa na kitunguu mingi. Unajua chakula ni kitunguu na mafuta. So the stew that was making, I was making a baby friendly stew. Yeah, it was with the stew had spinach and potatoes, and also what else, the beans, the red beans. Yeah, so we decided to cook like that because mostly our babies huwa wanaringa kukula mchele, so wakakataa kula mchele, wanaweza kula hiyo stew peke yake na washibe, so that's why we did that. So guys, the food was ready. As you can see, the food is ready. It's ready, and we can't wait to dive into the food. So guys, I'll just serve the food and enjoy the meal. Yeah, so till there, hope you've watched till this, and thank you so much. And also don't forget to subscribe. If you're watching and yet you've not subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Take your time and subscribe, like, share and comment down below. By doing that, you're supporting me in a big time. You're supporting me a big time, and I thank you so much. So I'll have to end my video now and enjoy this sweet food. Yeah, so thank you guys. So guys, see you on my next video. Bye bye. Love you guys.